morning, guys. It's Tuesday. It's my long day today. Here's what I'm wearing on this Tuesday. I'm trying to wear a dress because today is weigh-in and I'm trying to be as light as possible, but I don't think it's going to make up for the weight that I have on me right now. So that's okay, we'll deal with it. Here's what I'm taking to work with me for breakfast and lunch. Okay, so my coffee this morning is 0 smart points. It is 2 Nespresso capsules for 0 points, 1 Mucho Mocha Cafe Creations for 0 smart points, and some of this Jordan Skinny Syrup whipped foam topping for 0 smart points. So coffee is 0. My breakfast is right here. These are 2 spaghetti squash egg cups for 0 smart points. I have the recipe for this, so I will try to post it in the description box for you guys if you want to make it. They're super yummy. 0 smart points. So these I had frozen. So I just grabbed them out of the freezer last night. They are ready to go, ready for me to heat up. So breakfast is spaghetti squash egg cups for 0 smart points. And then my lunch is this leftover chicken stuffing stew. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff so much. That was in the freezer also. So chicken stuffing stew I also have the recipe for, and I will try to put that in the description box. If I forget to put either of those in the description box, just remind me and I will do that. But the chicken stuffing stew is 4 smart points, so everything I'm going to have before dinner tonight is only 4 smart points. I also have, they have some large oranges and apples at work and bananas, so I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I may need a snack since it's such a long night for me, so if I do, I'll show you if I have some fruit. That's it. Okay, I'm on my lunch break and I walked all the way downstairs, all the way to my car, and realized I forgot my grocery list. I'm going to Walmart right now because, yes, I walked all the way back upstairs. Steps, man, steps. I walked all the way back up and got my list. I'm going to Walmart right now to pick up just a few groceries because I literally have no other time during the week to get them, and I need them tomorrow. So call that poor weekend planning, if you will. It was. So I obviously only cook for myself. I don't use a lot of groceries. I guess I don't eat that much. I eat a normal, regular amount, but I just don't need that many groceries. So my grocery hauls are kind of small. And the last grocery haul I did was a week and a half ago. It was mostly produce. I said then that produce was probably gonna last me about a week and a half to 2 weeks. So we're at about a week and a half. I don't really need more produce. I just need some other couple random things. So I did my meal plan actually on Sunday when I was sitting at the restaurant at Shaker's. And that's why this grocery shopping trip is kind of late, because I should have just went like Sunday after I did the meal plan, but I didn't. So I just have a few random things to pick up now for the rest of my week. So I will show you guys what I get. Nothing super exciting. Remember, it's just me. Just me. Okay, I'm staring at the biggest, freakiest grasshopper on my windshield right now as I'm driving. It's right in front of me. It's big and it's disgusting and I want it to move and it's not moving. And I guarantee you, as soon as I get out of this car, it's going to jump on me. And that's gonna freak me out. So I want him to move now. Can you see how big that is? It's grossing me out. It's super grossing me out. Dude, go away. Go away. I don't want you there. Ew, I hate bugs. Okay, so I said I was going grocery shopping. I actually got very few groceries. I ended up getting more beauty products than anything, and darn if those things don't add up super, super fast. Let me show you what I got. First of all, I really wanted to get some Mrs. Butterworth's sugar-free pancake syrup, and they didn't have any. And the only other one they had was Maple Grove pancake syrup. Maple Grove sugar-free pancake syrup is 2 tablespoons for 0 smart points, and a 1/4 cup is 1 smart point. And with Mrs. Butterworth's sugar-free pancake syrup, a 1/4 cup is 0 smart points, so it's worth it for me to just wait. If I have to have my pancakes tomorrow without syrup, then I'll have them without syrup. I would rather wait than to spend the extra point. So the food I got, I got some Kraft fat-free shredded mozzarella. 1/4 cup is 0 smart points, and I'm using that in a recipe later this week. And just to have on hand, because I don't get it, I'm not at Walmart very often, is some Kraft fat-free shredded cheddar. Again, 1/4 cup is 0 smart points. Adds a lot of flavor and bang for 0 smart points. And then I got some fire roasted diced tomatoes. These are garlic flavor. Sounds really good. This is for a recipe also this week. I got some pineapple tidbits, great value pineapple tidbits. I can't see them. They are packed in 100% pineapple juice, so no added sugar, but what I do is just rinse them off to get any of the extra sugar off, and so that way I can count them for 0 smart points. And then I got these little mini loaf baking pans because I want to make a banana bread that Sally pointed out to me that you can make with the WW oatmeal. I was not impressed with the size of the portion on the WW oatmeal, so I'm going to try to make it as banana bread and see if I can like pump up the volume and make it more satisfying still for only 3 smart points. I also got, so everything else I got was beauty products. I got this nail file thing. I got this nail file buffer and these nail files, bam, because if I can do my nails a little bit in between nail appointments, it saves me $45. So just need to make the time, do them myself just once, and save myself $45. So I got those. And then I got a large pencil sharpener because I have an eye color pencil that is a big one that I need to sharpen. And I got some more brow gel. I got the light blonde brow gel, so hopefully it will kind of match my hair but still give me some brow definition. And the last thing I got was a new makeup sponge. That was it. That was it for $33. Hey, it's 6:13. I'm on my way to job number 2. Number 1 in the books, number 2 coming right up. Tonight is WW and I am going to try and weigh in. I realized that I haven't weighed in for 3 weeks. So yes, the scales are going to be up. Yes, I'm okay with that. I don't really, I mean, I care, but it was the holidays, it was the time with my kids, so I'm not really stressed about it. I feel like I'm like totally back on track and everything's fine and all my clothes fit and life is grand, so I'm not really worried about it. So tonight, after I need to do a couple things after I get off my second job work. After I get off work from my second job, so I need to go to a meeting and see someone. I need to go to the gym. I need to make dinner. I can't do it all and still make it to bed by midnight, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to decide on priorities here and figure out what's most important, but for right now, I'm on my way to WW. Okay, it's 10 minutes after 10. I'm so tired, so tired. So I did the WW workshop. Very disappointed with myself. I said earlier that I don't really care. I don't care, but I do care. So it was worse than I thought. I am up. I haven't weighed for 3 weeks, and I am up 8.2 pounds, which puts me over my WW goal weight. Yeah. How do you not care about that, right? So I'm over it though. I'm fine. It's a lot of water weight. It's just vacation, holidays, whatever. There's nothing I can do but just get on track and just keep doing what I know I'm supposed to be doing. So that's what I'm gonna do. When I tell you guys that I'm in this with you, believe me, I am in this with you, and this is proof. So I have 8 pounds to remove, and God knows how long it's going to take, but it's part of the process and it's part of the journey and it's just part of what we do. So I enjoyed my time away. I enjoyed my time with my kids. I can't say that it wasn't worth it. So now it's just time to get back to business. So I have been getting things done tonight. I did not make it to the gym, but that's okay because I had other priorities and the other priorities happened, so that was fine. And now it's 10:10. I have not had dinner and I am so starving. I was gonna go home and make chicken in the air fryer and vegetables, and I'm just way too tired to even cook because then I'd be eating at 11. So I am at El Pollo Loco. I'm gonna have a double avocado salad with chicken. It is 4 Smart Points. I'm actually gonna take it home and eat it because I want to, from what I remember from the last salad, it needed more cheese and more, because I think if you get it al fresco, there is no cheese and no sour cream. So I'm gonna take it home, add some fat-free cheese for 0 Smart Points, some Greek yogurt. Shoot, I forgot to buy more Greek yogurt today. I guess I won't add that. So I guess I'll just add some cheese and some Taco Bell hot sauce. Yeah, Taco Bell hot sauce on an El Pollo Loco salad. That sounds a little traitorous to me. Anyway, I'm gonna go in and buy this, and when I get home, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, it's 10:30. I'm finally home, and here's what my salad looks like. This is the double avocado chicken salad from El Pollo Loco. There is sour cream on it, but there's no cheese. So the salad, just like this, is 4 Smart Points. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of the Kraft fat-free shredded cheddar for 0 Smart Points. I have 2 containers of salsa to add for 0 Smart Points. I have some cilantro and some onion to add to my salad also. So that'll be my whole salad for 4 Smart Points. And then I also ordered a side of black beans for 1 Smart Point, and I'm sure it's 1 point for the black beans because they probably make it with added fat. So that's my entire dinner tonight. That is 5 Smart Points. I'm so hungry. Okay, there's my finished salad and my black beans. Looks awesome, right?